Hey, what's up guys? David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere. I've been traveling around the world for over 10 years. I've visited 71 countries and I've traveled every way of transportation possible, from planes, trains, buses, cars. I've even walked to different destinations. And what I love doing is I like traveling around the world, experiencing cultures, I like food, and I like meeting people. In terms of food, I've tried so many different things, from lots of different street foods in India, all the way to Michelin star restaurants in Spain. I mean, if it's good food, I like eating it. My work is wonderful and fulfilling and a dream come true, but it doesn't come without some risks. All that travel and coming into contact with new places can leave me exposed to germs and getting sick. I recently started using this product to boost my immune system by maintaining a healthy gut. As a matter of fact, I've gotten sick twice. The first time in Morocco about 10 years ago. I was in the Sahara Desert and I must have drank something, but I was basically out for 3 straight days. It was horrible. The second time was recently when I visited India for the first time. I was in Delhi eating street food like crazy. When I got on the train going to Agra on the last day, I felt really bad and it put me out for 7 straight days. I was extremely sick. I know what it's like to have stomach issues abroad. It's not fun. A way to boost your immune system is by taking care of your gut health. By populating your gut with healthy bacteria, your immune system will work more efficiently. And whether you're traveling or not, we all want our bodies to work at optimum speed. I used to hunt down yogurt in grocery stores in other countries, but I didn't always find it or had time to look. Just to show you how much you'd have to take down in yogurt to match one Digestive Advantage probiotic capsule, basically here's 8 cups of yogurt. Oh my God. I don't know if I can do this. I've had 10 bites and I haven't even made a dent. That's a lot of yogurt. Just to match this? No. I'm gonna take this. That's a lot easier. Since I've been taking Digestive Advantage, I've been able to cut yogurt completely. One of my New Year's resolutions was to eliminate dairy from my life. I'm super excited though, because next month I'm going back to India. I'm going to northeastern India and I'm gonna be eating so much delicious street food, and I'm super excited to see how Digestive Advantage helps me feel less full and bloated. Plus, this product holds up better against stomach acids than yogurt. Alright guys, so here are some other tips that help you stay healthy while traveling. Number 1 is common sense. Before eating anything, always wash your hands. If you're eating street food and you can't find a sink to wash your hands with some soap, definitely carry hand sanitizer that'll help you. That is always very convenient. And number 3, it's a great idea to get travel insurance just in case you really need to get medical attention. I always get travel insurance. So I hope you love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments your tips to maintaining a healthy gut. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next travel adventure. Peace.